OpenAI wants $200 per month for their AI operator. And I just told it for free. Imagine an AI that actually writes code, negotiate your bills, trade stocks, and even edit your videos automatically. So today, I'm going to be leaking how to hijack any AI, right? How to use any of them hosted locally. Yes, on your junk laptop. Yes. Right? I'm going to be showing you how to do that, how to like set up your own operator locally, right? All for free. No rules, just raw on inch automation. Stay with me. Here's an example of what I was able to do. We were able to automate my Twitter account, make posts according to relevant trending topics, all with the help of the AI operator. So navigate to the GitHub account of the WebUI repo, copy the link and you have to clone it. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it with Linux. That's the WSL for Windows. And if you are using a Windows system, you might follow the instructions directly on the web UI repo. But if you're using Linux, you can follow my direction, right? And I'll be showing you why I'm using Linux. That's why I'm using WSL with Windows. Why not just installing it directly? Why am I doing it with Cursor, right? I'll be showing you why as the video progresses. So you can see I needed a minimum requirement to have Python 3.11, and instead of having to go and ask ChatGPT or Google online how do I get 3.11, I could just ask Cursor AI. That's the composer. It gives me the code and I'm able to run it. So these are part of the reasons why when I set up new stuff, I just do it with the AI powered IDE, right? Life is easy. And now that we have Python 3.11 set up, we can go ahead and continue following the instructions. Remember, this command is going to be determined by the whichever OS you have. So you're going to like use the appropriate command for it. So I think for me, I still need to install VN. So I had further stuff to install. And if you already have all this set up already, you can just skip this. Then you can just follow the instructions and install the requirements. I also needed to install Playwright. I think here I said I'm having issues, and that's what I'm saying. With the help of Cursor, since I'm already here, I don't have to like copy my errors and go out. I was able to see what the problem was. I had some missing dependencies and I was able to install them. So after installing the missing dependency, you can go ahead and start it. It's actually that easy, and you're able to start the server. Yeah, for me, I'm using Python 3. I need to like change Python today since I have that Python set up on my system. So this is what the UI actually looks like, and you'll be able to see different configuration, LLS mode, keep browser open, and a lot. You can also see all the LLMs available. You can pick, even DeepSeek is also here. But I'm going to be using Gemini, the free API, and you just have to get your API key and add it. If you're using DeepSeek, maybe it's Ollama or something, you can put the URL. So after that, you need to give instructions that it agent needs to run. For now, we'll be testing. We just ask him to go to google.com, type OpenAI, and give us the first URL that is available. So let's just see. This is the browser that was triggered by the WebUI agent. So this is the browser, and we can see that the agent is actually like trying to detect with the vision, detect what's on the UI, and click and give us feedback, right? So we can see that that actually worked. It's able to navigate there, it's able to see that okay, and search for OpenAI. And from the logs, we can see that okay, it's able to get that the first URL on the result when search for OpenAI is able to like put it. You can ask to put in a file or something, right? So one of the examples I'll be showing you is this. We are asking it. This is a Gmail account created for this video. I'll be changing the password after. So we asked it to actually like navigate to my YouTube channel, log in with that Gmail account, subscribe to the channel, right? And we want it to be able to watch all the videos, like them, and make comments on them, right? And we can see the logs as that is going on. So it's already subscribed. I think it's going to detect what's on the screen. It's able to even skip the ads. Yeah, it's that good. So it's able to skip the ads and even like the video. You can see it's able to like the video here and even share, right? Depends on the instruction that was set up. So now I'm going to be giving the more detailed instruction, right? I want it to go to Twitter and I wanted to wait for me to manually put in my login details, right? Because I don't want to share my Twitter login details. So I told it to actually like wait till it detects I'm logged in. So once it pops up the window, I by myself I was able to manually log in. So you actually interact with the browser while the automation is ongoing. So I was able to manually put in my login details, and I asked it to like tweet for me, make new tweets, make new posts, even reply to like search for whatever is trending in tech space. It should search for it, reply people's posts, engage with the community. So that way I can use to grow my Twitter account. Of course, I did not like the output because the tweets they were somehow to me. I felt like, yeah, what do you mean? What do you mean deep sleep? Like, so yes, I did not like them at the ending, but at the same time, it is possible if you tweak the prompt, maybe it's able to tweet according to your preference. Maybe if you're a funny person or something, right? So you could automate it to do a lot of stuff, right? um it's kind of limitless. Anything you can do on the browser, I think you can automate. Right now I wish I can automate it to edit these videos because yes, I have so much content recorded that I've been unable to edit, and if I'm able to like get an agent to do the editing for me, I think my life will be easier. Yes, and you can actually, so yes, it actually also records the interaction with the browser, and you can go back and watch it in case you missed that. Congrats. For $0, you now have your own $200 per month slave that you can make do any of your boring work that is repetitive, right? Delivered as promised. I think so too. I want you to hit that like button if you already can see so many things you're gonna be doing with this, and subscribe if you want to see my next video. And also share this video before OpenAI takes us down. Stay reckless. Bye.